I have harvested some spinach from my little garden. I will use this spinach in my salad today.
The salad of the day. So let me show you what I have. This is lettuce, this is beetroot, this is spinach, some grated carrot, these are dried cranberries, this is coconut, some dry fruits, almonds and walnuts, and tomatoes. And then you have the salad dressing. This has lemon juice, olive oil, then honey and pepper and a bit of salt. So I will mix all of this and show you the final product. The final product ready to dig into.
Very healthy to replace one meal of a day with a salad.